Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see how to apply for sovereign gold bond online via SBI Net Banking. Before we go ahead with the live demonstration, let's look into some of the features of investing in sovereign gold bond. Now let's start our demo. First of all, we need to log in to net banking with your user ID and password. Once the login is completed, we need to go to e-services, then click on more. It will take us to this screen. This is the place where we need to select sovereign gold bond. It takes us to this screen. This is where we need to register ourselves for sovereign gold bond. By default, our savings account is selected, where we can see the SBI branch, the account type, and then the current balance that we have. This is the balance will be used to buy sovereign gold bond. In this page, just click on I accept the terms and condition, then click on proceed. In the next page, we have to enter our investor details, includes applicant details, identification details, and depository participant details. Since some of the informations are already populated, we have to fill up only the information which are given asterisk simple nearby. We need to select our gender, then the state. Rest of the informations are auto populated from your savings account. You just need to validate those details, then go ahead with identification details. So the only document which is supported is PAN card. That PAN card number is already populated since you have linked your PAN card number with your bank. Then the third option is depository participant details. In case you are thinking of holding your sovereign gold bond in DMAT format, you have to select this depository participant details. Selecting this detail is optional. I do not want to have sovereign gold bond in DMAT format, so I'm not selecting any of the option. I'm just going ahead with proceed. In this page, we just need to confirm the details that we have provided. Just validate all the details, then click on submit. Now we are done with registering ourselves to buy sovereign gold bond. Here we can see our registration number. To proceed with the purchase, we have to click on return to purchase. In the purchase page, our account number will be auto selected. Just verify the account number and then balance, then click on I accept the terms and condition, click on proceed. So this is the page where we have to fill up our investment related details. Our name will be auto populated. Registration number is what we just did, which is also auto populated. Then it will show what is the current gold rate. In this case, the current gold rate is 4,757 rupees per gram. In sovereign gold bond, 1 unit is equivalent to 1 gram. Then it is showing what is the minimum eligible quantity, which is around 1 unit. Then what is the maximum eligible quantity, which is around 4,000 in unit. What is the subscription quantity that we are going to apply for? We have to specify the number in unit. I'm planning to purchase 5 units, which is 5 gram. So I'm going to enter number 5 in here. Then we have to select first nominee details. We can add up to 2 nominees. First of all, we need to enter the nominee name, then the nominee's date of birth. In case nominee is minor, we have to enter the guardian name of the nominee, then the relationship with the guardian, and how much subscription quantity you are willing to provide to the first nominee. That is the detail you have to enter in here. Since I have subscription quantity of 5 units, I am planning to apply 2 nominee with my application. So I am going to enter unit 3 for the first nominee. Remaining 2 units I will be allocating to my second nominee. Now I need to enter the information of my second nominee. Now in the nominee subscription quantity, I will be entering unit 2. Since I have already allocated 3 units to my first nominee, I have to enter the remaining units, which is 2 units. Post that, it is showing what is the total cost of gold rate that we are going to pay for applying 5 grams. In this case, it is showing 23,785 rupees. That is the amount will be debited from our savings account when you click submit. As the last point, it is asking whether you want to hold your SGP in DMAT format. As I told earlier, selecting this option is optional. In case you want to hold in DMAT format, you have to select NSDL and CDSL and then provide your DP ID and client ID. Those two details you will get from your DMAT account. For example, if you log into Zerodha or Upstacks, you will be able to fetch those information and then enter them here. Post validating all the information you have provided, you need to click on submit. It will send an OTP to your mobile device. Enter the OTP that you received, then click on submit. In the next page, you will be getting this success message for applying for sovereign gold bond via SBI online net banking. We have come to the end of the video. This is how we apply for sovereign gold bond via SBI online banking. Please do subscribe to this channel for more investment related videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.